is Girish Bhagwat. I was suffering with obstructive sleep apnea since last 4 to 5 years. It was diagnosed by doing a sleep study and I was advised to use CPAP machine. I used it for almost 3.5 years. The sleep quality improved, but still it wasn't up to the mark. I used to feel tiring during the daytime, yawning, and I was trying to figure out how to get rid of this. So I came across Dr. Vikas Agarwal on YouTube, and I saw his several videos and his patients' feedback. I first thought I'll give it a try to go to him and diagnose as to can this problem be rectified. And he's very friendly, and I mean exactly what I was thinking was done. The sleep endoscopy study revealed what the problem and where it was. I understood. I took a second opinion. The other doctor as well understood, and this surgery has really helped me. Just 3 days back, it has been done, and I don't sleep now with the CPAP machine, and the sleep quality has drastically improved. So I really thank Dr. Vikas Agarwal for you know helping me to come out of this difficulty of my life, and I would sincerely advise for all those patients who are suffering through this, uh, you know, take proper advice from doctor, and if possible, come here and get yourselves cured. Thank you.
So, how would you rate the pain that you thought it would be and versus it is? And what is the change of voice that you had apprehension?
Yeah, my apprehension was whether there would be any change of voice or any kind of difficulty in swallowing.
Especially when we cut your soft palate.
Exactly. So there is no such thing. I do look forward to having the same voice quality that I have, and maybe as you said, after 15 days or so, the pain will be gone, and I would lead a absolutely normal life, which happens with any surgery. So you can.
Yeah, now my husband's sleep is far better than earlier. Now he is not snoring for after 3 days after the surgery. So
And I don't wake up, right?
no, you don't wake up.
There's no choking.
No choking.
In spite of the pain, still
Yeah.
you are having a good quality of sleep.
Exactly.
Very nice.